Want to know how to clear your trading history in MetaTrader 5? Well, no worries. First off, you need to keep in mind that you cannot directly clear or toggle off clearing history in MetaTrader 5 Android. But what you can do is sort it out by days so that only the important ones appear. So what you can do is just simply open up the MetaTrader application, and now right here under you can see this history tab on the navigation bar. Simply click on it. Now on the top right you can see this calendar icon. Click on it again. And now right here you can see various histories. So maybe last 3 months, last week, today, last month, etc. You can also do it with your custom period, such as choosing by your calendar. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.